Here we learn about sorting. So first of all make this table and then after perform it. So in this way then home tab, then sort A to Z means ascending order and Z to A means descending order. So when we click on this, all the data rearrange in descending order. Again we click on A to Z. We can set a data in a ascending order. So in this way we can sort data as per our requirement. Now custom sort. Click on this. Here we set some criteria or condition. So in a sort by department number, then values, then smallest to largest. Then again set another condition. Here we select there, then by salaries and values and large to smallest. Then click on OK button. In this way we can also sort a data as per department number. Now next one is organize data into levels. See, click on this subtotal, then set there at each change. Here we set department number, then salary, then click on OK. In this way we can set it. Now filtering. Filtering is a quick and easy way to find and work with selected data. There are three types of filtering in Excel: by list view, by format and by criteria. Now custom filtering. You can also auto filter to a filter data based on certain specific condition. This is called custom filtering. For example, display only data which show a height in a meters greater than or equal to 500 but less than or equal to 600. Now filtering by searching data. We can also filter a data on the basis of searching data. In case you want to filter out specific value out of thousands of rows of data, you can search for your preferred value in the list. For example, in the auto filter drop down menu of building name, type there Petronas in the search box and click OK. You can see the record on the base of city name Petronas. Here we learn about filtering features. First of all make this table and then perform some steps. See, click on data tab, then here given the icon filter, click on this. So you can see some filter icon on each column. See this type of small triangle you can see. Then click on year column, then deselect all the option, then select only one option 2010, then click on this, then OK. So in this way we can filter a data as per our requirement in the year 2010. Now we can also clear a filter on clear option which is available in sort and filter group. Now click on height in meter, click there, again set your table, again set your table. See, again click on this, then numbers filter option, then select the last one option custom filter, then custom auto filter dialog box available there. Here we set the criteria in the first Here we set greater than or equal to, then set there 500. In another option, here we set is greater than or equal to, then type a value 600 and click on OK. On the base of this criteria, we can filter a record. Now, next one is, we can also find a record on the base of height. We can set the criteria top 10 record. So in this we can find out top 10 record of the highest height in a meter. See in this way. In this way also we can find out the record, filter the record. Now next one is, we can find out a record on the base of search condition. Click on search box and type there a name and then click on OK. On the base of this, we can find out the record. Now conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is the feature that allows you to set a cell format according to the conditions. You specify a conditional formatting command is available in the styles group on the home tab. We can also clear a conditional formatting. To clear a conditional formatting, click on clear rules in the conditional formatting drop down menu. In this way we can clear a conditional formatting in the data. Now highlighting selected rows. This is the another manner of applying a conditional formatting in Excel 2013. We can highlighting a selected rows. And last one is more sorting and filtering. Excel also allows you to sort and filter data by cell color. So on the base of color we can filter a record. Here we learn how to filter and sort a record on the base of color. First of all, make the table, then after see, first of all insert a color, set a color on the record, and then after based on it we can sort and filter. So second one record and last one record. Here we set the color. On the base of blue color we can sort and filter. So first of all do this and then select a table, then click on data tab, then sort option, then set here. Here we set a particular field name. Here we set test1, then click on OK. In this way we can sort a record on the base of color. Now next one is filter. Click on filter, then click on filter option, then select there filter by color. In this way we can filter a record. See this.